Good morning, children. Welcome back. So, first of all, let us recollect the topics that we have discussed in the previous video. Previous video, we came to know how to save a file, how to export a file, what is meant by exporting an image. Okay, and we also came to know how to change the foreground and background images. Right? So now today I am going to show you how to create an image and also how to use the image editing tools. Okay, children. So there are different types of image editing tools. Today we are going to learn about all those. Okay, let us start, children. First of all, in order to do any editing of an image, we'll go to file menu and then you should select new if you are creating a new image. So if you want to change the width and height, you can change. Okay, so then click on OK. So this is the area of which your image is going to be displayed. Okay. So now there are different image editing tools, children. Okay. Well, coming to these image editing tools, there are two types. First one is area selection and color selection. Basing on these two tools, we can use the image editing tools. Okay. First, let us know about area selection tools. While coming to area selection tools, there are different tools like rectangular, square, circular, elliptical, or to do a freehand selections. So first of all, let us see about the rectangular select tool. Okay. So while coming to rectangular select tool, you should go to tools menu and then you should select the select options. Within select options, you should select rectangle select tool. So see, if you people observe, here there are different types of selection tools. See, rectangle select tool, ellipse select tool, free select tool, foreground select, fuzzy select, by color select. Okay. We have discussed, that there are two types, area selection and color selection, right? So these are different types of image editing selection tools. Okay, so now we are selecting rectangle select tool. See, when you are using rectangular select tool, see what happens. You should simply drag the mouse and then draw it. Then you'll be getting a rectangular box like this. Okay, and when you release the mouse, you are able to see a dotted line, right? That particular dotted line is called as marching ants. Okay, what are those particular dotted line called as marching ants? Listen carefully, children, because I may ask you from the lesson also assignments. So please be concentrated. Okay, what is the particular dotted line called as, children? Marching ants. Okay, spelling MARCHINGANTS. It is what called as marching ants. Clear? So see, in this particular rectangular select tool, you will be having several options such as mode buttons. That means it allows us to add or subtract. Okay, it allows us to add or subtract. See. Okay, next, feathered edges. That means, see, if you see, we are getting four coordinates, no? That is what called as feathered edges. Okay, next, rounded coordinates. Okay, these coordinates are the same of round. Okay, next we can even expand it from the center also. Okay, see, can even expand it from the center also. Next, we will be having some fixed options also, children, such as aspect ratio, width, height, size, and highlights. Okay, what is the dotted line called as, children? Matching ants. So there are different types like this. Next, we came to know how to draw a rectangle using rectangle select tool, now children. Now we can change the foreground colors. You also came to know how to change the foreground colors. Now let us see another option called as stroke selection. What is an option called, children? Stroke selection. So see, for that you should go to edit option. Within edit option, select stroke selection. See, uh, here it is already there. So solid color, and simply I'll be clicking on stroke. So see what happens here. I'll increase the size of this. If you see, you can see a color over the borders. Okay, children, are you able to see a pink color? That is what called as top. That means what it does, it will be increasing the width of that particular border, and it will be giving you a color also for that. Okay. Next, you can change that color also, children. It is the color we can select. It is of our wish. Okay. This is how we should draw a rectangle select tool. Now let us see how to draw an ellipse select tool. Again, go to tools menu, selection, select, ellipse select. Now if you draw, it will be given in an ellipse symbol. Okay. Next, free select tool. Free select tool means you can draw as if you want. You can draw whatever you can. Okay, now are you able to understand what happens when you will be selecting the free select tool? It will be simply moving the cursor. Okay, in which direction and how you want you can draw. Okay, this is what called as free select tool. Next, if you don't want that, just simply click on escape key, children. Okay. Next one is scissor select tool. Tools and then selection tool. That means simply like a dot. Okay. You are able to understand, children? Now let us see the color selection tools. We'll be having two types, fuzzy selection tool and select by color tool. While coming to color selection tool, we'll be having two types, fuzzy selection tool and select by color tool. While coming to area selection tools, we are having rectangular select tool, ellipse select tool, free select tool and scissor select tool. Now let us see what happens about this fuzzy select tool. Escape, then the particular option will be gone. Okay, deselected. Fuzzy select tool. This particular fuzzy select tool, what happens, children? For example, let us take an image, then I think I can show you exactly what happens. See. Now you got it now. Fuzzy select tool means what happens? Something like blur, it has been created, a whole image. Now you people understood now, children, what is meant by fuzzy select tool? Okay. Next, select by color tool. Let us see about select by color tool. Okay. Escape. Then go to tools. Select by color select tool. Same. Whatever color is there, that particular color will be lost. See. When I click on the delete option, it has been deleted. Okay. Now, first of all, let us recollect the topics that we have discussed today, children. We came to know how to insert an image. People got it now, children? Simply go to File, click on Open. Then whatever image is there, you can simply double click on it. That particular image will be inserted here. So that is the way how to insert an image. Okay. Next, we came to know about different tools. There are image editing tools. There are two types of image editing tools. First one is area selection and the next one is color selection. While coming to area selection tools, we are having rectangular, ellipse, free select tool, right? While coming to color, we are having fuzzy select tool and second one is select by color tool. Okay. Next, what is the dotted line that is being drawn to the borders of our image? It is what called as marching ants. Okay. We also came to know about how to select an option called as stroke selection. You should go to edit option and then click on stroke selection option in order to give a thicker border. Okay. Next, while coming to file, if you create and click on new, you can even change the size of the image. That means width and height of the image. Okay, children. You came to know how to change the foreground color and background color also. So I hope you all understood today's class, children. If you are having any queries regarding this particular lesson, you can ask me without any doubt. Okay, children. Thank you.